Welcome to Jerrassic Park on the grounds of the Military Aviation Museum in the outskirts of Virginia Beach, Virginia. Pronounced like that, as it was a side passion project for the grandkids of the Military Aviation Museum founder Gerald Jerry Yegan. The story goes, as roughly told to us by the amazing current museum director Keegan, that Mr. Yegan was hanging with his grandkids and they wanted to stop to see some roadside dino attraction. But they had to go, as they'd miss their flight if they dilly-dallied, and the kids were really tore up about it. So, Yegan did everything in his power to bring a dino attraction to his grandkids, but the process took just a little bit. And when he went and presented them this park, they had aged out of their initial must-see all dino stuffs phase. Yegan laughed it off and put out a sign that said free admission for all grandparents. But that confused a few folks, so they just changed the sign to say free admission. It is free. It has a tiny parking area underneath the tall pines right off the main road, and it's worth it to head into the paid museum if your kids are straddling that line of interest in dinos or airplanes. See the links below for the Atlas Obscura page on the park, the Wikipedia page on the Aviation Museum page, their donation page, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.